So here's some more last minute junior cert tips for the T1 paper. A few common tips from last year's exam. Common questions is Cén Bhliain. Cén Bhliain means what year. Cén lá, what day. Cén lá. Cén sort. Cén sort, what sort or what type. Cén uair. Cén uair is when did it happen, or of what time. Cén price, what price. Ainmní means to name something, so it comes from aim meaning to name something. Cad iad na shoppi was one of the questions, so what shops were they talking about? Cad iad, iad is them or are. Cé atá I canch, who is talking. Caved, how many or how much. Louis is a big one, means to mention. Louis. So sin couple of Falkland Shindich. So amor leis an scrúdú.